This is the HG400W, the only completely portable, high-powered heat gun, which we call hot air. HG400 is powered by a standard disposable propane cylinder, which is available in almost any hardware store, home center, automotive store, and more. The heat gun comes packaged with 2 task nozzles, as well as a removable heat sink cage, which can help prevent overheating nearby objects, as well as to diffuse the heat for personal safety. As I will demonstrate, the HG400 is engineered to ensure that the internal flame cannot exit the nozzle no matter at what angle it is used. HG400 generates a maximum temperature of 550 degrees centigrade, 1022 degrees Fahrenheit at the nozzle, which diminishes as you move back from the nozzle. The heat gun will run for approximately up to 10 hours on one standard propane tank. To operate the heat gun, simply screw the heat gun head onto the propane tank, being careful to not cross-thread or over-tighten. Next, you may attach one of the task nozzles or use without nozzles, as I will do after I demonstrate the basic operation of the tool. Simply start the gas flow by turning the fuel adjustment knob approximately a quarter turn counterclockwise, and then push the ignition button. You should hear the whooshing sound as you will hear now. If not, push the ignition button once again and/or adjust the gas flow as needed. As I mentioned, you can see that the cyclonic flame is embedded deep within the nozzle and cannot exit the nozzle to come in contact with your work. It is important to note that only included task nozzles are to be used with this tool to ensure safe operation. As you can see, I can use the tool at almost any angle with confidence. For jobs that demand hands-free vertical heat, we have included a dual-function, hands-free vertical stand and hand protector. This angle makes applying shrink wrap and other tasks more convenient. In short, hot air makes many routine tasks much easier without the limitations of finding an electric outlet. Here are a few short videos of HG400W in use. Assembly line sealing of tanks. Sealing wellheads in cold and windy conditions. Thawing frozen pipes. Installing heat shrink connectors. Installing heavy wall heat shrink on starter cable lugs and battery terminals.